Hi folks, my name is Robbie Gale here with Myrtle Beach Chrysler Jeep. Today I'd like to teach you a little bit about the tire inflator kit. Right here in the back of your vehicle is where you'll find it. And this is what your tire inflator kit will look like. After removing your tire inflator kit from the rear of the vehicle, the first thing you'll want to do is remove the plastic that comes with the tire inflator kit. Next thing that you'll want to look at, you have right here is your mode selector knob, your pressure indicator, your pressure release valve, and your power switch. After removing your tire inflator kit from its packaging, the first thing that you'll want to do is uncoil the power cord. Now, your power outlet in your vehicle, depending on the model, can be located either in the front or the rear of the vehicle. I recommend that you consult your owner's manual. After uncoiling and attaching the power cord, the next thing that you'll want to do is attach your hose to the tire. After attaching the hose to your tire, you want to check your selector knob to make sure that you have the appropriate setting for what you're trying to do, either inflation or sealant. After you are certain that you are on the appropriate mode, power on the vehicle, and then the tire inflator kit with your power button. Let the tire inflator kit run for 5 to 7 minutes and monitor your tire pressure as you go as well to make sure that you don't overinflate. After the tire inflator kit has moved all sealant into the tire and it's at the appropriate levels, remove the tire inflator kit, pack it back in the vehicle. You'll want to drive your vehicle for 5 to 7 miles or 10 minutes, whichever one comes first, to make sure that the sealant is properly distributed in the tire. After driving that set time or distance, you want to check and make sure that your tire pressure is at the appropriate levels to continue driving. I hope this has been informative. Thank you again from Myrtle Beach Chrysler Jeep.